Okay, fortunately we have updated the PC and I have rebooted the PC, Ubuntu as well. And the next stage is try to relog into the, relogin for to perform the installation. The first step is sudo su logging as administrator. Okay, now I put the command called apt-get install JDK default. Okay, before that I would like to give a few information, but anyway, okay, apt-gets. When you are doing any installation, you have to put the apt-gets install and default -jdk. Only on the import part is in here. This is the part always going to be changed, and this is the constant part of this command. It means to do the installation, you have to put apt-get installation install and jdk default.jdk. Automatically package will download from the internet and automatically install and do the, most of the case all the configurations happen automatically, and you have after downloading the particular package it will ask, maybe before downloading it will ask to verify to do the whether you are going ahead with the installation or not. Yes, I am doing, I want to go ahead with the installation. uh, it will automatically download the files from the internet and in, from the particular Ubuntu site, and then it will perform the automatic installation. 9% complete, 10% complete, 11% complete. uh, okay, like the same, I don't need to spend the particular installation time with you. uh, then next point onwards we would like to install something called SSH server. uh, this is how we are performing Java installation, and probably it will take few minutes, but yeah, it will take 16 minutes. I don't want to spend this video around 16 minutes because it's wasting time. After the installation I will show how to configure the remain.